So students, we have another question number 14, exercise 4.2. Using properties of determinants, prove that this particular determinant a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1 it is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So it is a quadratic determinant with somewhat two terms at a time and two different terms in product with a single term in one particular expression. So, and in right hand side we have to get the entire quadratic expression 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square without any term like this ab or ac or ac or bc. So if you observe carefully, then we can make a very brief study and see that this particular column contains a square plus 1. This contains AB and this contains AC. If you multiply this column by A, if you multiply this column by B, and if you multiply this column by C, then and also you can take out A, B, C common from row wise. So how it goes, let us see. Left hand side. I will write the determinant first. A square plus 1, here AB, here AC, here it is AB, here B square plus 1, here C square plus 1, here BC, here CB, here CA. It seems to be the determinant of a corresponding symmetric matrix. Somewhat it looks like that only. So it has got its own symmetric properties. So let us go with that. So I'll write like this. First column gets multiplied with A. Second column gets multiplied with B. Third column to be multiplied with C. So when you are multiplying this A, so I have to write outside. If you multiply any column or any row by one scalar k, then you have to also divide outside so that you can take it out common. Okay, so if I multiply here, suppose I am multiplying the first column by a only, so a into a square plus 1, here will be a square b, here will be ca, so I'll write ca square without disturbing the arrangement of terms. I am not writing ca as ac, I am writing it ca only, and I am putting a square in the same placement. So I will divide outside by a. I am multiplying the second column by b, so a into b square, b into b square plus 1, it will be cb square. Then again I have to divide it by b, whole determinant by b. Now the third column, if I am multiplying with third column means multiplying the whole determinant by the term c. So I am writing ac square bc square c times c square plus 1. So I have to divide outside. Now if you observe carefully, from the first row I can take out a common, from the second row I can take out b common, and on the third row I can take out c common. So ABC, again ABC. Then what is left out? Here it will be a square plus 1. Here a has been taken out common from the first row, so remaining terms b square, it will be c square. Here b is being taken out common from second row, so left out terms a square, then b square plus 1, here it will be c square. Third row c has been taken out common, so remaining terms a square, b square, c square plus 1. So now I am getting the determinant in the desired form, and then I can think about expanding it or first applying the properties, you getting these terms, simply adding the columns not by rows but by columns. So this ABC will get cancelled and you will get answer as 1. So now I will apply now apply C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then what is going to happen? Here in the first column itself, I'll get a square plus 1 plus b square plus c square. Here a square plus b square plus 1 plus c square. Here a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. So why not write in the same here it will be b square plus 1, here it will be b square, here it will be c square, here it will be c square, here it will be c square plus 1. So then this is nothing but 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square as we require. So we will take it out common. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square taken out common. Then we will get 1 1 1 in the first column. Here it will be b square plus 1 b square. It will be c square plus 1. Now we will make these two entries 0 by applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So apply R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So we'll definitely get the required value 1 plus a square plus c square. So what is the required determinant? It is 1 0 0. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. The first row is being taken as a reference row. So let us not disturb the elements 1 plus b square plus c square, first row as it is, reference row. The second row elements 1 minus 1 0 already written, b square plus 1 minus b square, so it will be 1 only, c square minus c square will be 0, b square minus b square will be 0. We are subtracting first row from third row. Okay, b square minus b square 0, c square plus 1 minus c square, again it will be 1. Again it will be 1, correct. So we have got a determinant in which in the first column if we expand we'll get a minor determinant 1 0 0 1, and that is identity matrix determinant. So it will be yielding 1 only. So definitely you'll get answer as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So this is how we have obtained the right hand side. So it is a very simple problem. Just to understand that how this is also quadratic, they are quadratic terms only, degree of a1, degree of b1, total degree 2 here. So it is a quadratic determinant only, but if you see quadratic expression, how to convert it in single variable terms and without any attached with some other variable, the product of two different variables, it is been converted into product of one variable only, a into a, b into b, c into c. So this particular methodology, it is very important. You should take into account, you should practice again and again. Definitely you will be able to understand. Any problem is there, you can ask the doubt.